why my ego doesn't like the law of attraction. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and I realize my ego doesn't like the law of attraction. Here's why. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. My ego does not like the law of attraction. Here's why. Because it's invisible. Just imagine if you needed to see the world on the other side of the horizon before they finally sent boats to explore the world. We would still think that the world was this like flat thing that everyone was gonna fall off of when they got to the other side. If you need to see it before you can believe it, then you're always going to be stuck in the limits of your own mind. Now, the word ego is, Wayne Dyer used to call it edging God out. And that's a part of ourselves that's edged the perfection of the universe out. This universe is perfect. This universe has divine intelligence, consciousness, spirit energy that is aware and responding to your every vibration, thought pattern, and belief impulse, subconsciously and consciously. It's listening. It's this energy that is just here in this very moment, responding to every thought you have. I am worthy of everything that I desire. I'm not good enough. I'm too old. Oh, it's always been like this and it's never worked out. Fantastic things are on the horizon. Whatever it is that you want to think, it will become a reality, because whatever you hold in your mind, you will see in your hand, because this conscious intelligence is right here. You just can't see it. It's like a dog whistle. It's outside of the spectrum of what your physical senses can pick up. But it's there. And the ego only believes what it sees. So comment down below, I will see it when I believe it. Comment down below, I will see it when I believe it. Comment down below, I will see it when I believe it. Now, what does that mean? Most people say, I'll believe it when I see it. No. Actually, you won't see the money, you won't see the soulmate, you won't see your miracle, you won't see your manifestation, you won't see your biggest dreams, goals, and aspirations that you want so desperately bad. You will not see them until you first believe them. Until you first know, like you know that it's coming. There is nothing you can say that can obstruct me from getting and attracting what I want into my life. I will not give up. I will not quit, because I know that it's here. I believe it in the depths of my soul. That's the energy that allows you to then see what you want. It's true that thoughts are things. You may not be able to see your thought. So your ego may want you to not believe in the law of attraction. It may say, this guy's stupid. This guy Jake is silly. I kind of believe him. Oh, this is just airy-fairy new age. There's no science behind this. There is so much science behind this. Every time you have a thought, a reaction, or an emotional response to something, you fire brain cells. You fire nerve cells. They've done this with neuroscience now. And Hebb's Law, it says that brain cells that fire together, they wire together. So the neural connections, the brain synapses, the neural connections that are in your brain start to wire based off of your thoughts. Now, you can't see that happening, but it's happening. And it's creating your life. So what you want is just outside of what you can see. And you won't see it until you begin to believe it. But it's there. Why? Because this world is friendly. Because this world is infinite. You look into the stars, what do you see? Just tons of little blinking object thingy-majiggers that are out in infinite space, and you say, how far away is that thing? And it's 400 million light years. or something like that. And you say, well, how far is that one? That one's 900 million light years away. Well, what happens if I was on that star? Well, when you got to that star, you would look out and you would see millions and billions of other stars that go on forever. And you say, how long does space go on? Forever. It's infinite. It's going to go on forever. It's infinite. It's beyond the comprehension of your mind. And guess what? You are infinite. Your potential is infinite. And this world has an infinite intelligence that is responding to your every thought, desire, and wish, and has the ability to attract and manifest anything that you want into your life. The possibilities for you just this week are endless. This week you could attract the money you've been needing. This week you could finally attract the romantic relationship that you dream. Heck, it might happen in 2 hours. But you can't see it yet. Now, there's something called a cognitive bias. And a cognitive bias is this thing where when your brain is set up, where your perception is set up to see something, you always see it. Other psychologists call it the expectancy theory. What you expect starts to actually activate brain cells, cells of recognition in your brain, so that you see it, even if other people don't see it. Now, when you begin to believe and feel right now, whatever it is that you want, start practicing gratitude. Say to yourself right now, I'm so grateful that I've attracted that $100,000 that I've wanted and that I've wanted to attract as my income. I'm so grateful now that I've lost 20 pounds. I've developed a whole new habit of exercise. Every day I'm running 2 miles. I'm drinking more water. I'm eating less processed foods. I'm so grateful that I've attracted amazing relationships and people that support my ambition and uplift me, and I have a romantic, fulfilling romantic relationship. It's so fulfilling. I'm so grateful. What begins to happen is you feel it, even though you can't see it. Infinite means all possibilities exist and all realities already exist. They're just outside of the spectrum of your visible light that your senses can perceive. But it's still there. It's infinite. The possibilities already exist. It's kind of like the wind. You can't see the wind. You can feel it. You can see the effects of it when it blows over all the leaves in your yard. And then you gotta pick them up for the 3rd time this week. Stupid wind. I just picked these leaves up 2 days ago. Why are you doing that? You can't see the wind, but you can see the effect of the wind. You can't see your thoughts. You can't see the law of attraction, but you can see the effect. Now, you may not be able to see the money yet. You may not be able to see the relationship yet. You may not be able to see your manifestation, your dream, your goal, your dream life, the meaningful life, the family that you want, the adventures that you want. You may not see it yet, but you have to start affirming it and feeling it, because that's how you pull it from the invisible dimension and you make the invisible spirit manifest itself in the physical reality. Now, your ego may not like the law of attraction. Your ego may not like manifestation. But I'm telling you, you are connected to the all-powerful, infinite consciousness, pure potential. All realities and all possibilities for you exist now. Start affirming them, feeling them. Don't allow your eyes and your ego to tell you that it's not possible just because you can't see it. What you want is here now. It's on the way. You are blessed. All is well. Affirm the great things and feel the gratitude for them. Now, this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Comment down below. All I want is here now. Comment down below. All I want is here now. And if you haven't yet, make sure you demo the second line. This is going to change your life forever. This is my software I created that's designed to, you know, the brain, I was talking about rewiring the brain. This software literally will rewire your brain for you. It's designed to start to build new neural networks. A lot of people's problem is, and if you don't have what you want, it's likely your problem is that your brain is wired to the opposite of what you want because it's been programmed by the outside world. You want money, but your brain is programmed for you not to have any. You want love, but your brain is programmed for you not to attract your soulmate. Now, demo this. It's for free. thesecondmind.com, right there down below. thesecondmind.com. Demo the software and allow it to start to activate your second mind that's going to become a magnet for you to attract what you want. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification will notify you for new videos. So please make sure you actually hit the bell notification right over there. Comment down below what I want is here now. I'll see you on the next video.